Thinking about skipping the salon and doing a Brazilian wax at home? It can save you money, give you privacy, and let you do it on your own schedule. But is it safe? And how can you make sure you get the best results? Let's break it down. Save money. Salon waxes can be expensive, and doing it yourself costs way less in the long run. Convenience. No more scheduling appointments. Wax when it works for you. Privacy. Skip the awkwardness of a salon and take care of it in your own space. Good prep makes all the difference for a smooth and less painful experience. Pick the right wax. Hard wax is best for sensitive areas because it grabs hair without sticking to your skin. Check your hair length. Hair should be about 1/4 to 1/2 inch long. Too short and the wax won't grip too long and it'll hurt more. Prep your skin. Exfoliate a day before to prevent ingrown hairs and skip lotions or oils before waxing. Heat the wax. Follow the instructions to get the right consistency. Warm, not too hot. Test the temperature. Try a small amount on your wrist first. Apply the wax. Spread a thin layer in the direction of hair growth. Let it set. Wait a few seconds until it firms up but stays flexible. Pull it off. Hold your skin tight. Take a deep breath and pull the wax off quickly against hair growth. Repeat as needed. Work in small sections to keep things manageable. Take a pain reliever 30 minutes before waxing if you're worried about pain. Breathe deeply and stay relaxed to reduce discomfort. Right after pulling the wax off, press the area gently to help with the sting. Taking care of your skin after waxing is just as important. Soothe your skin with aloe vera or a fragrance-free moisturizer to calm redness. Prevent ingrown hairs by gently exfoliating a few times a week to keep skin smooth. Maintain your results by waxing every 3 to 4 weeks to keep things neat and easy. DIY waxing has its perks, but it's not for everyone. Here's what to consider. It's cheaper and convenient, but it takes patience and the right technique. If you have super sensitive skin, get ingrown hairs easily, or struggle with irritation, a professional might be the better option. A good at-home wax can leave you feeling fresh, smooth, and empowered right from your own bathroom. Would you try DIY Brazilian waxing? Let us know in the comments. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more self-care tips. Thanks for watching, and happy waxing!